The American woman and former exchange student is facing murder charges in Italy over the death of her roommate. And this morning, for the first time, the prosecution has introduced physical evidence that may link Knox and her co-defendant to that murder. NBC's Keith Miller is in Perugia, Italy, with more.
Good morning, Amy. Well, in court today, of a forensic scientist on the stand. He testified that he lifted bloody footprints from the bedroom where the murder occurred that had a probable match to Amanda Knox and her former boyfriend, Rafael Solicito, and also the man who has already been convicted of the murder, Rudy Guedi. Now, what he said was probable, and the defense jumped on that right away, saying, well, was it or was it not Amanda's footprint? He said the footprint itself that they lifted was not accurate enough to say it was exactly Amanda's, but that the size was comparable and also with Rafael Solicito. This is the first time we've heard concrete evidence that would link Amanda Knox in any way to the murder of her roommate, Meredith Kircher. Earlier today, I had the opportunity to talk to Amanda's father. He said that she is coping well with being in prison.
She's holding up. It's always difficult when you're dealing with prison. It's when you have your freedom taken away. And, especially for something that she didn't do, it's a difficult situation. I mean, she's actually anxious to testify in court, to be able to take the stand and truly get her side of the story out for everybody to hear and hear the truth.
There is at least another 100 witnesses that will be taken to the stand. We're told that the trial will at some point adjourn for the, quote, the Italian summer. So we're hearing that perhaps from mid-July till mid-September, there will be no court sessions. And in fact, we don't expect a verdict in this case until sometime in October, perhaps as late as November. And what's important about that, Amy, is that Amanda Knox will have been in prison for 2 years before hearing her fate.